This is the Mauritius Pavilion right in front of UAE Pavilion actually, and it's actually located right in front of the big dome, and we are just walking in just to see how the pavilion looks like. And once we walk in, that's how they actually have done their entrance. They welcome you in different languages, and when we keep walking in, they have a pretty nice photo booth actually, because this place is actually famous for beaches and for their hotels. And when we keep walking in, they have displayed their national flowers also and the fruits as well. And then these over here is their national flower, this one. And this place right over here, actually they have displayed it really nicely. They give the feel of the whole Mauritius, like that's how the place actually looks like. And if you notice, these flowers on the top, they actually come once in a year, so that's why they're quite famous. Also, this animal right over here is actually their national animal. And this one right over here is the star fruit. This is also one of the very famous fruit in Mauritius. And once you keep walking down, this whole area is actually for those people who are interested in investments and who would like to invest in their country. So they have all the information over here. And when we just keep walking down, they have displayed the roots of the future. And this right over here, they have actually made a small booth, and this is for all those people who would love to travel to Mauritius, and what all packages they are offering, and what are the best beaches and what are the best restaurants people can actually go and visit over there. As we just keep walking down, there's this Austria Pavilion. It's right next to Switzerland Pavilion actually, and that's how they have done their entrance. This is the Austria Pavilion, and the good thing about this place is that they actually don't have any screen, any air-conditioned area, because they just have these walls. The reason is that they at night actually takes up the all cold air, and then during the whole day they just uses that air. And this area is dedicated to the place where they have actually shown the marble doing the design, and it's actually done by the magnet. This place right over there is the sense of smell, and the good thing is about this place is that when you take off your shoes, you go in and you relax yourself, you just sense the smell of the wood, so it's really nice and relaxing. And this area, they have made it for the lab, and all the information they've kept it over here about the sustainability, about the economy. This area right over here is actually the place where you put your hands on the marked area, and then they will just sense your heartbeat and transform into a specific pattern. It's quite interesting to actually see that. As soon as we come out from the Austria Pavilion, they have made a pretty nice restaurant so that you can sense their taste as well. And this one is the UK Pavilion, and that's how the entrance looks like. Pretty nice and very different. Hi!
Hello, good evening. Welcome to the UK Pavilion. Have fun.
Thank you. It's a pretty good walk all the way till up. I mean, approximately you can say 3 to 4 minutes of walk. All these words which you can see it right over there, basically you have to donate some amount, and then you can give out any sort of word, and then after the donation this will be displayed over here.